Earlier this week, we heard of a leak alleging that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 would boast a 3x telephoto camera from the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. And now there's even more promising leak that the new smartphone is said to boast the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108MP camera. Wow, isn't that cool? The new phone rumor comes courtesy of Dohyun Kim, a leaker who has a good reputation for providing accurate Samsung leaks. Assuming this is true, it's very exciting indeed, as it essentially means we already know that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will feature the best camera system of any foldable. So guys, before we begin our today's video, please tell me from which country are you guys watching our today's video from? We love reading your comments. Alright, let's get back to the topic. The leak, which was reported by a Dutch website called Galaxy Club a few days ago, alleges that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will feature a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical magnification. Compared to the 12MP 2x camera and the Z Fold 3, this would be a great upgrade, and would likely be the same 3x telephoto camera seen on the three Samsung Galaxy S22 models. Although 12MP and 10MP is a drop in MP count, the jump from limited 2x optical zoom to 3x is significant. And in conjunction with the new 108MP camera, revelation points towards a fantastic camera system to the new foldable. Last week's leak also mentions a 10MP selfie camera for the Galaxy Z Fold 4's camera system, which would be another good addition. Annoyingly, however, it's not apparent if this is for the under-display camera inside the smartphone, or if it's for the selfie camera on the cover display, which already has a 10MP sensor. Based on Samsung launching the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 in August last year, we expect the company to launch this year's new foldable flagship around the same time of year. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 launched at a very big price last year, and buyers may have felt disappointed at paying that much for a device with worse camera than the Galaxy S21 Ultra. That's unlikely to be the case this year, as the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is said to share camera hardware with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, though there can be a possible absence of the 10x periscope zoom lens. So guys, this was the end of our today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.